I'm Justin Reock, and I'm the Deputy CTO at DX. DX is a comprehensive platform that lets us measure developer experience and the knock-on effects of developer productivity with a combination of both qualitative and quantitative metrics. We run highly effective engineering surveys backed by a ton of PhD-level research, along with capturing a number of system metrics. We correlate that data and we report on it at various levels of the business to help engineering leaders make decisions about where they should focus their improvements on developer experience. One of the hardest things for engineering managers to decide on is just where they should focus their priority in terms of improving developer experience. We know that developer experience can be one of the biggest bottlenecks or one of the biggest supporters of good productivity within the organization, but it's really hard sometimes to identify exactly where the bottlenecks are, exactly where the friction points are, and exactly where developers struggle the most to be their most productive. So by being able to gather this data through a number of channels and make it very clear to engineering leaders what they should be focusing on, we help them make the lives of developers better, which helps their organizations be more productive. Now, most recently, we've added our AI measurement framework, which also pulls a lot of utilization metrics for AI and then helps those utilization metrics correlate to our existing foundational developer productivity metrics. So we can do things, for instance, figuring out whether cohorts of users that are heavy users of AI are seeing better PR throughput versus worse PR throughput. We can find out if those same cohorts are actually making the code base higher quality or actually suffering from more defects. So we make it very clear the impact and utilization of AI across the organization. We've recently added what we call our service catalog, as well as our scorecarding capability, which allows us to start looking at individual services within the organization and correlating them to productivity metrics. And then adding a scorecarding capability allows us to build these wonderful kind of flywheels of continuous improvement across various productivity and experience metrics.